Hey guys, John Henry here. I wanted to do a quick little video here, see if we could find an opportunity to scalp on the S&P. My daughter stayed home sick today, so she's kind of hanging out watching the switch, and wanted to see if I, while she's resting, could find a scalping opportunity. And I thought, hey, you know what? That might be a nice little opportunity to throw together a video too. So, as far as the overall S&P, the reason why I like the way that this is setting up, just in general, one thing that stands out pretty obviously is that the bulls tried getting something going. And when they tried that hard and failed that hard, chances are they're trying to get out at break even. Any push above these previous candles, I don't believe at all. I'm going to be looking to sell above this last bull bar at around 650. I'll probably get filled at 6/4, so I'll look for my aggressive add-ons at 7/4 and 8/4 for the scalps to the downside. And then we'll see if we can get those. All right. Swept in at 6, so I actually got there 6 to 7. We'll get the target out at 5, and now we've got the scalp ready to go. So as far as the entry point goes, I got a little bit of a bad fill, but the idea here is that the bulls don't have anything going for them. The buyers have the opportunity, testing the target, and there's the target filled. Nice and easy. We'll take it. So again, breaking this kind of down, the idea is that the bulls don't have anything going. Earlier, they tried coming in, they got trapped. Tried coming in again, got trapped again. Tried coming in a third time, got trapped again. None of those are working. So at this point, none of the bulls are going to believe a bull signal, especially after this amount of strength to the downside. I know there's a lot of wick on the bottom of bar 21, but put this into context. Bar 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, covering how much ground? From the top to the bottom, 87 ticks on the S&P. There's not going to be many bulls that are going to look at that bull bar on bar 22 and say, that's the one that I want to buy today. It just doesn't make sense, right? So a lot more probability would suggest that the sellers are going to look to drive that market back down, offer it up a nice quick scalp. We'll take it. Not too bad while the daughter's sick, right? Hey, that'll do it. All right, back off to the fatherly duties. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you had a fantastic day trading today, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.